Do you want to raise the bar on your late-night skinny dips? Welcome to Lake Nyos, one of the world's most hazardous lakes. Your cannonball might easily kill thousands of people here. Why is Lake Nyos so dangerous? How much harm could it possibly do? And if you fall into it, how large of a splash will you make? This is so what? What would happen if you were to fall into Lake Nyos then? Lake Nyos is situated above a volcanic crater in the northwest of the African nation of Cameroon. A little lake that is roughly 210 meters deep. Due to underground volcanic activity, crater lakes like Nyos frequently leak carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide typically evaporates gradually as the lake naturally changes. However, if the lake is sufficiently quiet, the gas dissolves into the water and keeps building up there, slowly transforming it into a ticking time bomb. What would occur if the water in that area were to suddenly be disturbed? Only 3 lakes, including Nyos, have been shown to build up dangerous quantities of carbon dioxide. This type of lake's agitation may result in a phenomenon known as a limnic eruption. But let's not get ahead of ourselves too quickly. You would witness this disaster firsthand. You would also unwittingly set off a serious catastrophe. The dissolved carbon dioxide would rise to the surface as your corpse fell into the fatal waters of Lake Nyos. There would be a bubbling in the lake. Additionally, these bubbles would increase the turbulence. Have you witnessed the infamous Mentos and Diet Coke eruption? Yeah, you would be that. It would launch a 90-meter water jet into the air, send you skyward as high as London's Big Ben. Even if you managed to escape the fall, you would still have to deal with the excess carbon dioxide. All of the gas would be released in a cloud more than 1 kilometer wide in 20 seconds. Up to 25 kilometers out from the lake, it would spread. Up to 48 kilometers per hour would be its top speed as it silently suffocated every living thing in its path. Instead of relaxing at Lake Nyos, if you were in a nearby village, you may hear an odd rumbling sound and see a white mist rising from the water. A gust of wind would then be brought in by the poisonous gas cloud, putting out any nearby fires. This is due to the fact that carbon dioxide gas is heavier than air and displaces oxygen at high concentrations. Without combustion, there is no fire. However, it also implies that you would be unable to breathe. After just one breath of air, you would pass out. This is precisely what occurred in 1986 when an earthquake or landslide caused a limnic eruption in Lake Nyos. 3,500 animals and 1,746 villagers perished instantly in total. Nobody was around to see how the iron stirred up from the bottom transformed the normally calm blue waters scarlet. Do you still want to go swimming? Is this the planet's riskiest lake? Well, the Lake Nyos catastrophe took place while the lake's carbon dioxide level was at its peak. To prevent this from occurring once more, safety precautions have been put in place since 1986. The gas now safely departs, much like a pipe at the bottom of a lake. However, I wouldn't advise putting your life in danger for this research. Nyos has far too much carbon dioxide, even with part of the gas being evacuated. Perhaps you should try your luck by swimming in Lake Natron, another risky lake. It might turn you into stone, just as a warning. That, however, is a tale for another so what.